the most popular mark press on the market that can achieve full image printing is coming. You know, it not only can print this, but this, and this. I bet you are already desperate to know what it looks like, right? Let's dive right into it. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to our video. As we all know, since 20-ounce stainless steel tumbler was getting popular in the market, therefore we developed Galaxy Tumbler Press GS-205B Plus, and the result is totally out of our expectation, which is the best seller last year. So today's video will be divided into two parts. Firstly, I'm gonna unbox the GS-205B Plus right here to show you our high quality package, see what we got for you, and show you how we pack the machine, which is what our customers care about most. Secondly, I will briefly introduce and operate our machine, which make it easier for you to get started. Let's rock and roll. Just let me open the box. Ooh, the first thing that comes to our eyes is a standard packing sheet. The sheet has clearly stated what we have in the box, like CE label, burning label, logo aluminum sheet, mud heater, screw, glass fuse, operation manual, machine in PE bag, cotton mark, power cord. Okay, go ahead. Then it's a thick cardboard, see? Then it's a set of sturdy protecting styrofoam. Fully wrap the machine. It is where we spend lots of money to mold it. Customize the styrofoam to make it perfectly fit the machine. The purpose of that, we just want to ensure that machine can be delivered to our customers in good condition. Okay, keep moving, you will see a power cord. You can see from here, it is a 0.75 square millimeter power cord. It is worth noting that the specification of power cord can be changed according to the different needs of different countries. We can offer different countries' standard plugs. Okay, then you will see a operation manual. I mean, if you are confused about the machine or anything, I believe you can find the answer from it. Then, you know, we have strict control over every detail of the product. So here's an inspection report. Okay, finally, it turned to our machine, wrapped in a PE bag. Alright, we had done the first part. Next, I will briefly introduce and operate the machine. But before that, just let me assemble the machine. Line it up, plug it in, screw it tight. Okay. Ta-da! You know, there are three most important factors affecting printing results are temperature, time, and pressure. Well, you can adjust the temperature and time on this control box with digital display. Then time. As for pressure, well, can you guys see these two screws is where we change the pressure. The purpose that is to make the inside pressure even. Okay, the next step is gonna be printing demonstration, and I will print a 20-ounce stainless steel tumbler. rotation 180 degree to printing the area that wasn't printed. Thumbs up! Can't wait to check out the result. But before that, we gotta let it cool down. It can also print a variety of other cups, bottles, and tumblers. Well guys, if you like our videos, please hit the subscribe button for more info. Give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Your feedback is our biggest motivation. Alright, I think this is all for today. I'm Dean from Lopo. We not only provide high quality heat presses but offer high-end sublimation blanks. Thank you for watching.